Good.
Whatever.
Sun, Sirius, Pollux, Arcturus. Sun, Sirius, Pollux, Rigel, Aldebaran, Betelgeuse, Antares, DY Canis Majoris.
We're pretty small, aren't we?
Did you know that if this thing was us,
The Earth, you mean?
no, if this thing was one little human right here, Earth would be as big. Earth would be a mile wide. If this was us. This was you, Mom, or Dad, or any of us in here, except for the kids. A mile wide would be like the Earth.
Cool.
A continent would be about
Are you just ripping now or what?
750 feet.
Make stuff up?
No.
Jackson, what planet did you leave, or what star did you leave there on the floor? What's that white?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
No. I didn't know what to use it for. So.
It wasn't to scale anything?
Now, this little guy. Oh yeah, this is the sun. Now let's pretend that the sun you can't even see right there. Is this Sirius you can't see either. Now Pollux is right here. These silver balls would be Rigel and Aldebaran. Now, that would be now. This is a Betelgeuse and Antares. Now, this. So if you pretend that the sun you can't even see right here, and then Vega, a star called Vega, is right here. Actually Vega is invisible. And DY Canis Majoris, or just WCP, would be this way. Seriously, so Vega you can't even see right here. That the sizes of Moon through Vega, which is even bigger than the sun. You can't even see the platform that all of those are on.
Wow.
And this would be WCP or DY Canis Majoris.
It's amazing what is all out there.
And I'm going to show you different ones. Now I'm going to show you planets.